In a quiet clinic, researchers explain that mental wellness is daily, shaped by tiny choices rather than a single fix. Dr. Lena Park outlines evidence for mindfulness, sleep, and social connection, while a patient shares how a minute routine eased mood. A nurse recounts guiding a teen through journaling and breathwork after anxiety spikes, showing practical steps anyone can try. The film highlights 5 practices including consistent sleep, gentle movement, gratitude, mindful tech limits, and reaching out when storms rise. This short invites viewers to start small, stay curious, and build a kinder relationship with the mind over time.